How to find CVV in your Desjardins card. So pretty much depends on which one you have and if the actual number is available for your card. There's no number that is shown in your card, you can directly look for information directly in your account. You could either go to your preferred browser or log into your account that has your card activated, and you should be able to see the card information, which includes the CVV. But if your card does have the number option, then usually the CVV, which is the security code used to confirm you physically have the card when you're making online or phone payments, should be usually found in the back of the card as a 3-digit CVV number. There are other times where it is a 4-digit, but it pretty much depends on what card you have. So Desjardins do have a few options, but it's pretty much either a 3-digit number on the back card or a 4-digit number on the front of the card above the card number. So it's different from your card number, and of course should never be shared by anyone. But that's some options you have to find your CVV in your Desjardins card. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.